this video, we're delving into vintage vibes. Stacie spritzes on heat protector spray to make sure no excessive heat damage is caused. The hair is spiral tonged in inch wide and deep sections and then barrel curled on base using pin curl clips to secure. The direction of the tong and curl is moving forward, not backwards, so make sure you're using the correct elevation. Notice Stacie's body positioning when curling. This will make sure that you keep on the right track. Progress to the sides, making sure that you're still working and barrel rolling forwards. By barrel rolling after each section, you're ensuring that the hair has time to sit in its style and set. This will ensure maximum curl and hold. Continue with this technique all the way to the crown. When working from the nape of the neck upwards, spiral tong the hair and allow to fall naturally. Allow the hair to fully cool and remove the barrel pin curl clips. Run serum through your fingers to manipulate the hair and smooth the wave. Running over a paddle brush will wave that hair rather than curl it, so it gives you a softer finish. This is the end result: smooth, glossy and sleeky hair. You can stop there or you can progress to this ponytail method. Stacie manipulates the hair into a low ponytail and wraps tightly to ensure that it doesn't move. Taking small sections of hair, apply heated rollers and pin. All the ponytail will end up with heated rollers. Working with the front, take appropriate sized sections about an inch deep and wide and apply heated rollers in a forward movement. Progress using the same technique on the sides of the hair. This is what your set should look like. Allow to fully cool and then remove the heated rollers accordingly. Apply hairspray for additional support and hold. Make sure you move that hair around to get some airflow through the ends. Using large padding, apply a net over the top to secure in the shape that you require. This will keep your work nice and neat. Once prepped, section from the crown forward to each side of the temple to create a triangular shape. Clip both side sections away so you're working neatly and methodically. Now focusing on your front section, run the brush through to make sure there are no tangles or knots and use hairspray to smooth. Working from point to root, apply the padding on the ends and roll inward. Secure with Kirby grips and make sure the shape is symmetrical. Once fully secure, start fanning out the existing hair on either side to cover that padding. Tease the hair into place and secure when necessary. Stacie slots in some wave pins to secure that definition on either side of the fringe. If you haven't done so already, remove your ponytail heated rollers. Brush through to loosen that curl into a wave. Connect the remaining sides into the low ponytail and secure. Apply donut padding through the middle of the ponytail and secure in place using Kirby grips, making sure it's nice and tight. Now for the fun part. Begin teasing your hair into place using Kirby grips and wave pins, working on balance, curl and shape. Stacie works with the heated roller curl to manipulate waves over the top of the padding. This will give fantastic shape on finishing effect. Ensure you cover the majority of the padding, so spread that hair out evenly. Tease and preen that hair into place using additional waved pins, trying to hide as much padding as you possibly can. Take your time with this, there's no rush. For additional hold and setting, Stacie applies the net and hairsprays over the top, allows to cool and then does his final dressing out techniques. That's our vintage vibes look complete. Why not consider adding accessories to give your look that extra pop? How did you get on with this look today? Make sure you tag us in all your work on Instagram using the hashtag JetVirtual. See you in the next one.